Everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're safe and healthy. If you are new to this channel and looking for important INBDE or NBDE Part 1 questions and answers, you are at the right location. So this new video series will expose you to hundreds and thousands of important questions with answers, and that'll really help you to pass the exam. So before I continue this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to watch each and every video that I'm going to post. So let's start with Q&A video series. Alright, so the very first slide will give you all the answers to my previous videos unsolved questions. So the first 10 questions, you can compare your answers with the answers that I have given here. So I'm going to keep this slide for next 5 or 10 seconds, so you can pause your video and then compare your answers. Alright, moving to the second slide with the next 10 questions. And then moving to the last 5 questions in today's lecture. Alright, so these are the next 10 unsolved questions. So spend some time and try to find answers to these, but I will be giving answers to all of these in my next video. So now I'm going to end this video. Thanks for watching this video. Again, please like, comment, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get all the important questions and answers. So that's it. Thanks for watching it.